If you are someone who needs 2-3 days maximum to cool down after an angry episode, और आफ्टर यू फील कि बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ लड़ाई हो गई है औरों के साथ, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो गए हैं एंड यू नीड 2-3 days to calm yourself down, first of all, sometimes it's okay to take some time and sometimes it's not. You need to figure out which situations are good for taking out that much time that you need 2-3 days to cool yourself down and which situations require an immediate solution. सो सबसे पहले आप जज करें सिचुएशन को एक्यूरेटली. सेकेंड एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कम्युनिकेशन, विच आई सजेस्ट इन every other issue that you're facing. So conflicts are something which will arise on a daily basis. You can't avoid them. But communication is something which should arise on a daily basis and you should be able to carry that out with your partner or with someone जिसके साथ conflict आ रहा है, anything. So communication will entail, first of you need to communicate clearly that listen, I need 2-3 days to calm myself down. Is that fine with you? Just communicate with the person कि आपको लगेंगे कुछ दिन. You need to think rationally, you need to think carefully. Sometimes the other person will give you the response. ठीक है, नहीं है, whatever. Sometimes the other person may also choose to give you the silent treatment and that's okay because just like you have a coping mechanism, the other person also has a coping mechanism. So you need to figure out a way. If you feel that that's not okay for the other person, you try to sit and understand what are the possible solutions and what are the possible mechanisms. All I'm saying is it's too quick to judge the other person when they take time to cool themselves down. Sometimes their coping mechanism is built in such a way कि उन्हें लगता है कुछ time cool down होने में, wind down होने में, and that's okay. You just need to communicate, you just need to understand, you just need to be acceptive of the person. No need to rush or no need to make quick judgments and leave the relationship altogether.